Have you ever wondered about the beauty of succulents and how to care for them? Succulents, with their myriad forms and colors, are a gardener's delight. They're celebrated for their low-maintenance nature and aesthetic appeal, adding a touch of exotic charm. But how do you care for these resilient plants? Let's dive in. Caring for succulents may seem complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. Succulents thrive with plenty of sunshine and a little bit of water. They're like sunbathing tourists, always chasing the light. But remember, they're not big on swimming. Overwatering is their nemesis. As for soil, they prefer it well-draining, akin to a sandy beach. So, sunlight, minimal water, and sandy soil. That's the succulent mantra. And what if you want more of these charming plants? Propagation is your answer. Propagation, or making more plants from the ones you already have, is simple with succulents. Start with a healthy leaf or stem cutting. For leaves, gently twist off from the base, ensuring a clean break. For stem cuttings, use a sharp, sterilized knife. Once you have your cuttings, it's crucial to let the cut surfaces dry out for a few days to a week. This process, known as callousing, prevents rot when planted. Once calloused, place on well-draining soil, but don't water just yet. Wait for tiny roots to appear. This could take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. After roots develop, start watering sparingly. With patience and care, you'll soon have a thriving collection of these captivating plants. From their distinctive shapes to their easy care, succulents truly are a joy to cultivate. We've delved into their unique appeal, explored their basic care requirements, and even touched on propagation methods. It's clear that these resilient plants offer a world of possibilities for any green thumb. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of succulents. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!